Hey everyone, right now I'm going to show you how to change the setup for your monitors. So you're just going to, in Ubuntu, you're going to go to the settings app, you'll click on displays, and then in here you have a lot of different options. So the first thing is you can actually set them to have the classic way, which most people will probably do, which is join the two displays so that you have two different monitors that you can have two different things on. Other people might want a mirror where it shows the exact same thing on both monitors. And then we have a single display, which means that one of the displays will turn off. So this would just be useful if you had like a laptop and you only wanted the other monitor to show that wasn't your normal laptop screen. That's what that would be for. So you'd click on which one you want, and then in drag displays, you would actually just move your display. So if your monitor isn't on the top or wherever it is right now, you would just go and move it around however you want it to. So if the number 1 display was actually at the top, you'd move this to the top and click apply. I'm not going to click apply because it's not true for me. So but yeah, but make sure you know which one's the primary display. The primary display is actually my second monitor, so 1 will always be your normal monitor, or the first monitor that was connected. But if we change the primary display, right, I have mine set as the second monitor. So right now the primary display is 2, and you can see which one that is because of the black bar at the top of it right there. So that's what that is at the top. If you're wondering why it would change, it's because you probably changed one of these. So the primary display just has some stuff in it that can differ. Like it has the app drawer, which is this over here. Actually, you can't see it right now because this is the second display. But up here, right, it says show applications. If you click it on this monitor, but if you just tap the super key, it automatically goes to the primary display. So that's how that one works. And then in here you can edit the metadata for each of your monitors. So right now, if I have built-in display, which is just my laptop screen, I could change the orientation, my resolution, the refresh rate, and the scale, and obviously fractional scaling as well. So over here in the other one, sometimes they have less options. Like for example, on this one, I can't change the refresh rate, and so all of that stuff right there. So that's pretty much it for how you change your display settings in Ubuntu. I decided to document this here on YouTube for those who weren't exactly sure how to do it. And it's right here in the settings app. So if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. I only have 1% of my viewers subscribed right now, so I'd really appreciate it. It would keep making me make more videos. So with that being said, I'll see you next time.